Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Detail Hot Lap and we will be doing a interior cleaning on the Jeep Grand Cherokee today. We just went to Sedona. We got back. This thing is disgusting. We'll show you the clips here in a few seconds. What I want to mention here is we're gonna do a leather cleaning and leather conditioning so that way we can make sure that this leather stays great over the winter and upcoming months. First thing that we're gonna go ahead and do is take out the floor mats. Once the floor mats are taken out, we will declutter the car. So all the trash and stuff within the vehicle, so that way it's an easy cleaning surface to work on. Basically I think of this as a canvas. So as long as your canvas is blank, it's easier to work with. So that being said, we'll go ahead and get started. If you would take 2 seconds out of your day to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, thank you, I would much appreciate it. After we have fully decluttered the vehicle, we go ahead and use a dry vac in the vehicle so that way we can get everything cleaned up before we start doing everything else. You could definitely tell where the WeatherTech floor mats were because it was very clean where they were. Everything else was pretty dusty and dirty. I was able to take out some of the trim pieces and get in the cracks because there was dust everywhere. Then after completing the vacuuming of the carpet, we go ahead and use a soft bristle brush to get in and around the armrest and around all the cracks and crevices of the vehicle. So that way it makes it a lot easier to clean. You get this into the vacuum so that way it does not spread out back into the carpet where you just vacuumed. Then we use some all-purpose cleaner with a microfiber towel. Get all the surface areas, make sure they're all clean, and then we'll go ahead and put on some CarPro Pearl, a 4:1 ratio, and that will reseal the car. Then I also use a soft bristle brush to apply the all-purpose cleaner, so that way it gets in and around the crevices, in and around the vents of the vehicle, anything that you cannot reach with a microfiber towel. As I mentioned earlier, we start with the leather cleaning process. I like using a leather brush. Make sure you use enough product so that way you can see what you're cleaning. Get everything cleaned, and then you want to go ahead and use a microfiber towel to pick up the residue and the cleaning solution. And then we start applying the CarPro Pearl 4:1 ratio with a application sponge. This stuff is great because it makes your dash look very matte, very clean, and makes everything look almost brand new. then we work on the windows. We use a waffle weave towel. We roll down the window, make sure we get those seams, and then roll the window back up. Get the inside and outside of the windows, and then you should be good to go. Now to clean these dirty floor mats, I use some all-purpose cleaner with a microfiber towel that is rather worn, or a dirty one that I like using just on these dirt applications. If it is a little more stuck on, I like using a drill brush attachment to get in and around those crevices and then clean it up with the microfiber towel, and you should be good to go. The next step here, we go ahead and use some leather conditioner. Put it on all the leather facing stuff. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching the video. Keep smashing that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.